Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to convert currency on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be walking through this on the web version using Client Portal. First, head to the Interactive Brokers website and click the red login button at the top right corner. Once the login page loads, select Client Portal Login, then enter your username and password and complete the two-factor authentication. You'll see your Client Portal dashboard appear with your portfolio overview. Now, to get to the currency converter, click the Trade tab in the menu bar, then click Convert Currency. The currency conversion interface will load on your screen. If you have multiple accounts, you'll see an account drop-down menu. Select the account you want to use. Next, you'll select your currencies. On the left side, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Currency I Have. Click that and select the currency you're converting from, like USD. Just below that, there's another drop-down called Currency I Want. Click it and select the currency you're converting to, like euros. Now enter the amount. You'll see an amount input field. You can enter this two ways, either the amount you have that you want to convert or the specific amount you need to receive. Once you type in the amount, the converter automatically calculates the other side of the transaction and sets up a market order. Before submitting, you can click Preview to see the full order details, the exchange rate, the exact amounts, and any fees. This step is optional, but it's a good idea to check everything before you proceed. When you're ready, click Submit. You'll see a confirmation message appear showing your currency conversion order has been successfully completed. A couple of things to keep in mind. These conversions typically settle in one business day, so if you have a cash account, check your available funds or settled cash figure before placing any buy orders with the converted funds. Margin accounts can usually trade against the converted amount right away. Also, manual conversions like this incur a commission of 0.002% of the trade value with a $2 minimum. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.